Hi there, I'm Angie Groves with the West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and my assistant today is Owen, and we're going to be making some peanut butter pinwheels for you. So for this recipe, you only need a few ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is 1 whole wheat tortilla, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, preferably reduced fat, 2 tablespoons of granola cereal, and 1/2 of an apple sliced. And before you get cooking, you would need to wash your hands, which we've already done. Washing helps to remove the germs so they don't get into your food, and it's important anytime you touch or prepare foods that you wash first. So to get started, you're going to spread the peanut butter around on your tortilla. So you're going to lay the tortilla flat and spread that peanut butter over as much of the tortilla as you can, just leaving a little bit around the edges for when you roll it up later. Peanut butter is filled with protein that's good to help your body cells grow and repair. And it's also a good protein to have around because you can just keep it in the cabinet. You don't have to keep it in the refrigerator like lots of meats. Okay, the next thing you're going to do after you've got the peanut butter spread around is to put your apples on the peanut butter. So you can slice them up or you can chop them up into a dice. But if you slice them up, the rolling is easier later if you keep those slices all one direction. So apples are a good source of vitamin C, which helps your body to heal from bruises, cuts, and colds. The next thing you're going to add is the granola cereal on top of there. But we chose to use a Golden Delicious apple because it's what we had. But you can use any apples that you might have around the house, or if you don't have apples, you can add in other fruits as well. So bananas are really good in this, or raisins or dried cranberries. So use what you have, and it's all good either way. So we've sprinkled the granola on there. Now it's time to roll up that tortilla. You might need some adult assistance with the rolling because it can get a little messy and maybe a little more complicated. But with a little practice, your kids will be able to do it just fine. So you're going to roll it and then you're going to set it on the plate with the cut side down. You don't need to fold the ends in like a burrito because we're going to cut it up. So from there, we're going to take it and we're just going to slice it up. If you're using a sharp knife to do your slices, then you might want to have an adult do that. But when you're all done slicing, then you should have your finished product of peanut butter pinwheels. And then it's ready to eat. Yum.